Hey guys, this is Will Hader doing Packet Tracer 7134 for the CCNA course number 3. Now we are going to be propagating default routes in Eigrp. Now this one, I'm not going to do a full video on this one. Basically, let's just run through these commands quick and I'll explain a little bit as I go. So display the default routing table of each IPv4 enabled router and verify that all IPv4 routes are visible. I'm not going to do that. They're there. Look for yourself if you want to see. So show IP, come on fingers, show IP route. You can see that we've got some of these routes in there. Now there's no static route. I just want to draw your attention to that. So let's go over to IPv4 Edge, which is our gateway router. And we are going to configure an IPv4 default route. Remember, for IPv4, it's just all zeros. Now the exit interface, it showed you here when it started up. We've got serial 010, 000, and 001. You'll notice that right here we formed two neighbor adjacencies. We've got a neighbor adjacency on the 001 and we've got a neighbor adjacency on 000. So that means that this right here, serial 10, is probably our interface, and I'll let you in on a secret. It is. It's one right here. So that's the reason, that's the direction we want it to go. So our exit interface is going to be 010. Enter. Okay, now we have to open up the Eigrp 1 and redistribute the static route. So we say router Eigrp1 redistribute static. So that's going to redistribute any static address that we configured. Enter. So now we're going to get our 50 points. Now let's bring this down, go back over here, and this is the old list. It's our old IP list. Let's do it again. And you'll notice we got a new one right there at the bottom. So it was learned through Eigrp. Right here, that little asterisk, that one says it's a candidate for default route. This X means it's externally learned through Eigrp. So this is the route. Right here is the administrative distance of an externally configured or learned route through Eigrp. Eigrp administrative distance normally is 90. You can see that right there. If it's external to Eigrp, it's 170. It doesn't trust it as much. So that's that. Okay. Let's hop over to the IPv6 side. Okay, so this is what it looks like before. No static routes are there. Let's hop over to IPv6. And this is very similar. IP route, and this for an IPv6 address, it's just :/0. And it's the same exit interface. Oh, that's an easy mistake to make. IPv6 route. There we go. Okay, let's go to the IPv6 router Eigrp1. And then let's just put that same command, redistribute static. Enter. It's the same command. Now we got our 100 points, so we're ready to turn this thing in, but let's just verify what it looks like inside of this router address or routing table for IPv6. Right there at the top, you'll see that it's got an externally learned address. There's our default route, and the same thing. It's that same administrative distance, and here's the metric to get to it. So there it is. That's all there is to it. You guys have been awesome for watching. Thanks so very much for supporting my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm coming out with new videos like this all the time. I would love it if you guys would comment below with any questions or comments, and even some suggestions. If there's some videos that I need to make better, go ahead and put them in there. Talk to you guys later. Peace.